Invite. What does it mean to invite?
To call home.
To call them, right? To come. Please come to my party. Yeah, for example, you invite them to your party. Offer.
To propose, like.
Ah, sure. To propose, you understand this? Propose? Yeah. Admit. Admit.
Approve. Accept.
To accept. No, not quite. To admit something says that you have done it. Like if I admit that I was speeding, driving too fast. Yes. I am agreeing that I did it, right? But it could also mean to let in. Okay? If you get a ticket, it says admit 1. Maybe it means this. But in this story, it is first definition. What do we have? Refuse.
Not take it.
Yes.
To turn down.
Yes.
To turn down.
Yeah, to turn down, to reject. Right? Good. Promise. Promise.
To say something to, I will do it.
I will do it. Certainly I will do it. Right? For sure I will do it. Agree.
Accept.
Okay. Yeah, agree. Suggest.
To advise.
Offer.
To advise. Yeah. To offer. Similar.
To suggest.
Remind. To remind.
To tell something again.
To tell something again. Excellent. Warn.
Warning.
Yes, we'll get warning from it.
To tell someone not to do this.
Okay.
To arouse.
I'm sorry?
To arouse.
Arouse? Maybe. You want to let them know maybe they're in danger or it's not a good idea. Right? And the last one, threaten.
Cheat.
It could be to cheat. If you threaten someone,
Afraid.
what might you do to them?
Afraid is
Threaten them. That maybe you are going to hurt them in some way. Right? Yeah. So you might threaten someone with telling the truth or hurting them.
Like, I will hunt you and kick your ass.
Yeah. You could say that, but alright. So now look at the story. We have some words in bold. And you've got a table, little table on page 90. It says invite, offer, and admit. And it says on the right side, for invite, you use this plus an object. And maybe you also use the word not to make negative. And infinitive with to. Now, they did not put this one in bold in your story, but it's in the first paragraph, right in the middle. It says, Gloria invited her to have dinner. So, what form do we want to put here? What form of invite? What form do they use in the sentence? What is the word in the paragraph that they use? Say it again, Lulu.
Invited.
Invited. Right? So it's invited. Right? So we have plus the object, right? Plus
Infinitive with to.
yes. So the sentence reads, right? What's the sentence read? Gloria invited her is the object, right? She invited her. All right. On the next paragraph, first sentence, what form of offer?
Offered.
Offer.
Offered. So in this case, what do we have? Infinitive with to. Rupert's son Dom offered to. Right? So we've got the infinitive plus to. What about the third one? We have admit.
Verb ing. Admit.
What is the word here? The form?
Admitted.
Admitted. And for here? Ah. So our sentence is, what is our sentence? Dom admitted being madly in love. Right? So you have the word being. Okay. So we have be plus ing. All right. Very good. Now, look at number 5 on the next page. And we're going to put these sentences that are in bold in reported speech. So we have a verb at the end in brackets. We need to use this verb in making a new sentence. So for example, in the passage in the text here, it says, Dom says, why don't we go to the Ritz? To make it reported speech, we have to say Dom, and we need to use suggest. So Dom suggested going to the Ritz. Then Kat says, that sounds nice. I've never been there before. Right. What does Dom say next? What does Dom say next?
Shall I book a table?
All right. Shall I book a table? Now, how can we say that in reported speech?
Dom offered to book a table.
Correct. Dom offered to book a table. Very good. Kat says, good idea. Next one. Okay, Alper.
And would you like to come to party next weekend? Dom invited to her parties next weekend.
Okay. Now what we can do is, but we should say her name, right? We shouldn't say her. Who did Dom invite?
Dom invited Kat to parties.
Yeah. Or to come to. Yeah. Good. All right. Dom invited Kat to come to Paris next weekend. But Kat says, hey, slow down. Slow down. We haven't even had dinner yet. What's going on? You're inviting me to Paris? We haven't had dinner. What? I don't know you. So Dom says, yes, I know. I'm sorry. And then what does he say? To Kul.
Yes, I know. I'm sorry. I say some stupid things sometimes. Don't admit it saying stupid things sometimes.
Right, right. Dom admitted saying some stupid things sometimes. Good. All right. So then what about Kat? What is Kat's response in the next line? Giselle?
Okay, let's talk about Paris after dinner. Don't agree to talk about Paris after dinner.
Well, okay, now Kat is saying let talk. So try it one more time. Who agreed to talk about Paris?
Can't agree.
Kat agreed. Excellent. Kat agreed to talk about Paris after dinner. Next one, Rupert. Have we got Rupert in the audience? Anyone? Who's Rupert? Anyone over here wants to try? Rupert says, Don't be late, Hendrik. And we have warn in brackets. Who wants to try? Yes, Melba.
Robert warned Hendrik not to be late.
Perfect. Rupert warned Hendrik not to be late. Excellent job. All right, we've got a couple more. Hendrik. That's someone new. Who can be Hendrik? Don't be shy. Burcu.
Hendrik promised will be there on time.
Yes. Okay. Hendrik promised to be there on time. Very good. We need a Rupert. He's talking about watching out for the cops. Berda?
And don't forget to watch out for the cops. Robert reminded Henrik to watch out for the cops.
Yeah, this is a little bit tricky. Yeah, Rupert reminded him not to forget to watch out for the cops. There's a lot of not and to in there. And Hendrik says, I'll be careful, but if you don't bring the money, Alper?
I'll tell the police everything I know. Hendrik threatened Rupert to tell the police everything he knows.
Yeah, or you can also say Hendrik threatened to tell the police everything he knows. Good. All right. Last one. Last one. Come on. Someone new. I know who you are. Last one. You've seen many examples. Is someone else? Someone over here? Oh, come on. All right, Gizem, go ahead.
Refuse not to believe him.
Close. You're very close. You want to try again?
Okay. Refused.
Yes. Rupert refused.
Refused to not to believe you. Him.
Close, close. Melba? To believe? Yes. Rupert refused to believe him. Right? Rupert refused to believe him. All right?
Okay.
All right. Very good. You think you understand?